Živio!
Hi,
Svala!
Olga. We dance and teach tango together for
Ages.
15 years?
More?
I don't remember.
Who cares?
We want to offer you to work on
What is the most important thing in tango?
connection.
Can we work on it now?
No. Still there is something what we can improve working alone.
For example,
Still a lot of things.
still a lot of things.
Подожди.
Still a lot of things. Still a lot of things. And we have some ideas.
We do believe that if something really does not work dancing alone, then in couple it's gonna be only worse.
So we have some ideas.
Balance,
Connection with the floor.
stability,
Footwork.
as well as knees work and hips work.
Actually, we dance not just with legs.
Yes, we dance with entire body.
And we are going to work with entire body, of course. Okay.
Why I think that it's important?
We don't do steps and figures just because of steps and figures.
No, we need them just as a tool in order to express the beauty of music of tango.
Our feelings.
So, such a research and understanding what happens with the body and how things work
Could lead us to improve ourselves and, in the end, to enjoy dancing more.
So, Olga and Slava proudly
Да, я жду.
Мне.
So,
Olga and Slava proudly present.
on Saturday,